This battery replacement tutorial is for 2009 and 2012 Unibody MacBook Pros. If your MacBook Pro is a 2012, the easiest way to identify is if it's a Unibody is if it has an optical drive, or if it is, this tutorial will work for you. The required screwdrivers are a Phillips head screwdriver that fits, which I will personally do trial and error with this toolkit right here because that's realistically what you all are going to be doing. And you're also going to need you will also need a spudger, such as this little one right here, to disconnect the battery. And please note that all the replacement batteries that you can find are cheap Chinese crap, including the overpriced iFixit batteries, as I replaced the battery in this computer in 2022 and that battery has already expanded. That battery has since been removed. And I also advise occasionally discharging your static electricity by touching unpainted metal, which if you have a different type of screwdriver, like on my smaller craftsman tool set, that will work perfectly because like this end is unpainted metal. So if you have a smaller tool set, you can use the Phillips head screwdriver to test it out, but if you have a larger one, then it will take more trial and error, so I recommend using a smaller screw set just to unscrew the computer at first. So firstly, you want to remove the top three right screws because they are longer, so just do it like so. And remember where all your screws go. I would best recommend is just doing it like I'm doing it, just setting them aside. There's not that many screws you're gonna have to deal with for this. And now go ahead and remove the rest of the screws holding this bottom together. Once all the screws have been removed, go ahead and lift the bottom case and just set it somewhere. Next, which I will have to get my larger screw set for, you will need to remove these two screws that are holding the battery together. Again, this is not going to be exactly how it'll be for you because I already had to remove my battery, but you need a Y0 screwdriver to remove the first screw on the left like so. And then to remove the second screw, you also need one of these screwdrivers. Now, if you have a battery disconnected, go ahead and disconnect it with the spudger, which I can't really demonstrate, but go ahead and then lift it using its plastic tab. But after you've done all that, you can go ahead and install the new battery like so. Go ahead and connect it. So, and then go ahead and rescrew the battery in. Afterwards, go ahead and place the top case back on. And first of all, go ahead and rescrew on all the other screws that are not the top three right ones. Now go ahead and rescrew on the top three right screws. And if you're just like me, you just replace the battery in your 2009-2012 Unibody MacBook Pro. And as you can tell, this MacBook now works perfectly again. So I hope this worked for you. As always, thank you all for viewing this video. I'm the iTunes Family, and peace out.